Hi guys, today we're gonna review the Fawkes Dumbledore Phoenix. Take a look here. This one is a pretty cool build, and there's gears in the whole thing, so the motion. It's like the older version of Hedwig, but it's a different type of model. And the claws are on there. And then if we look in the book, this set only comes with one book. There's bag 1 builds that, bag 2 builds that, bag 3 builds that, and then bag 4 builds that. So it's a pretty good build, and it's a birthday present of mine. I'm not gonna tell the person who got it for me, just in case they don't want to be on YouTube. And it's another great set, and I give it a double thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and thanks guys.